Hi friends, welcome back to Purvi Trading Academy. Today we will be exploring one new instrument, call it as USDINR. Every one of us already know that dollar index, right? It is world most traded currency, correct? By using the dollar, American dollar, one more pair they have created, USDINR, correct? Actually, most of you come over here to understand how it is possible with 30 rupees. The option buying is can be done, correct? Now, now we will going to understand how exactly we can trade by using options only with respect to 30 rupees only. Now we will going to understand how exactly we can trade the options using 30 rupees capital. It's wondering, right? Even me too. Let's see. It's a sensible option strategy here. In this one, like Nifty and Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Sensex, USDINR option is available in sensible platform. Now, option buying carries lot of risk, and this video is mainly for education purpose only. Before buying or selling, please do consult your financial advisor and then take a decision. This video is only for education purpose. Now let us deep into how exactly we can do option buying with 30 rupees. This is USDINR February future. Now go to strategy builder. Here I am using expiry 16th. In USDINR, expiry would be on every Thursday at 12:30 p.m. That is based on RBI reference rate. Unlike Nifty and Bank Nifty, last trading price they will be exercised for expiry. But here they will going to use RBI reference rate by 12:30 p.m. Based on that, all expiries like future and options, all edged positions and all, it will be square off by 12:30. Here, one beauty, here one advantage is even future week. Here one advantage is there. Weekly future also available in USDINR. Unlike Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty and Bank Nifty only monthly futures are there. Even stock only monthly futures are there. But in USDINR even weekly futures are available. Even we can use weekly futures for trading. Now we'll see how exactly we can buy an option with 30 rupees. Yeah, call option if I take, you can observe the fund required will be only 20 rupees. It is less than what I told you. It's wondering, right? Yes, it is possible with USD INR. You will have a doubt. Hey, by only paying 20 rupees, how much we can earn through USD INR? There is a tricky condition is there with USD INR. USD INR most of the time means 90 to 95% of the time, it will be very calm instrument, unlike Nifty and Bank Nifty. Here the movement would be in terms of small ticks like 0.0025 ticks. The movement would be very slow and steady, unlike Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now we will see even if you are trading at ATM options, you will be wondering now. You observe the capital requirement would be hardly 98 rupees. It's less than 100 rupees. Correct? In this manner, we can able to buy the options with lesser than 100 rupees. In another words, even if you would like to sell the options at ATM option, the margin requirement would be hardly 1700 rupees. Now that's the beauty of option buying, even option selling in USDINR compared over Nifty and Bank Nifty. If I compare same thing with Nifty, the upcoming expiry, 15th expiry, buying at ATM would be costing around 7,285 rupees. It is almost 100x, means 100 times more money we need to pay for buying an ATM option in Nifty. Similarly in Bank Nifty, ATM option, weekly option I'm talking about, if you buy, we need 4,929 rupees. Right? Crazy, right? Now this is how the option buying is an advantage, especially with respect to USDN. Even selling, if you would like to do with Bank Nifty, we need around 88,000. Compared to USDINR, hardly we required 1,800 rupees. Huge difference. That's why if you are a beginner, please start learning the options with USDINR rather than Nifty and Bank Nifty. This video mainly designed for education purpose only. Before buying or selling, please do proper research and consult your financial advisor and take a decision. Thank you all. If you are new to the Produce Trading Academy channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get regular notification like today's video. Thank you all.